On behalf of the NCP Poland, I would like to warmly welcome you at the International Brokerage event in a changing world, inclusive, innovative and effective societies. My name is Katarzyna Walczyk-Matuszyk and I'm a Deputy Director of the National Contact Point for Research Programs of the European Union in Poland, and my organization, jointly with the Net for Society project, had the privilege to organize today's event for you. We are very happy to host this brokerage event in Warsaw, as this year we celebrate the 20th anniversary of the establishment of our organization. From 20 years, our NCPs have been supporting Polish participants in effective applications to framework programs, and Horizon 2020 is our current goal. So on a daily basis, we offer services related to awareness raising, proposal preparation, but also international networking and collaboration. Moreover, we put a lot of efforts to mobilize Polish stakeholders to actively participate in evaluation in the framework program process. So currently 4.5% of the active evaluators are Polish, and we consider this as a big success. Moreover, we mobilize our stakeholders to provide opinion during the Horizon 2020 midterm evaluation, and Poland was one of the most active countries. We initiated as well the process of the preparation of the Polish position paper on the Framework Program 9, which was presented last year in Brussels. And what is very important, recently the political goal was set to move Polish budgetary participation from 1% in Horizon 2020 to 3% in Horizon Europe. So there is a lot of work ahead us all, and I hope this event will contribute to this. But coming back to today's event and the topic of the SSH. So social sciences and humanities are very widely recognized and represented in the Polish research community. Among the participants, we had 80 participants from Poland. So you see that there is a significant number of the people dealing with the SSH on a daily basis. A significant number of scientists, but also researchers and entrepreneurs from different areas of societal fields are involved in the national, but also international research programs. And we are extremely happy about these international research programs. And they are working with their counterparts all over Europe, but also beyond. We are, after 5 years of the implementation of the Horizon 2020 program, and we have already first experiences related to the SSH. And now let me share a few quite important for us observations related to the SSH. So we believe that the SSH plays an important role as a cross-cutting issue aimed at improving the assessment and response to complex societal issues, societal challenges. And this role should be continued in the future framework programs. The research and innovation chain should include contributions from SSH disciplines to the highest possible extent, yet, on the other hand, they should avoid fragmentation that would lead to the uneven integration of the SSH research across the research framework programs. Then, SSH community is quite diverse, and as such constitute huge potential that could bring enormous added value to STEM research, and especially I'm emphasizing the field of ICT or digital health. And last but not least, SSH should in the future also continue to play an informative role for society to provide social uptake of research and innovation results involving citizens in creation of research. So as you see, the SSH is at the heart of our interest, and we strongly support the continuation of the program and its significant role in the future. So the number of participants at today's event is very promising. We have gathered distinguished speakers, representatives of the European Commission, European and Polish institutions, the Net for Society projects. Thank you a lot for joining us. Team of Polish NCPs, guided by Mikołaj, is here with us to ensure that everything will go smoothly, and I'm sure it will. First of all, I would like to thank you for joining the event in Warsaw, and I wish you all fruitful meetings and networking. We hope that our efforts will result into impressive number of Horizon 2020 applications under Societal Challenge 6. Good luck.
Thank you, Katarzyna. Good morning. Also from me, a warm welcome here to our Societal Challenge 6 Information Day and Brokerage event. It is really a real pleasure to have so many people from so many different countries and from so many different organization types here in the room today, and who are interested in this event and who are interested in the European funding programs in general. My name is Nina Braun. I work for the German Aerospace Center Project Management Agency, and I'm an NCP for Societal Challenge 6 and the project coordinator of Net for Society, and I will be moderating you today through the Info Day sessions. Before we start, I also would like to thank you for being here. I would really like to thank our speakers for being here with us today. And of course, I would like to thank our colleague Mikolaj and my colleague Dominic and all the other NCPs who made this event possible. Now I would like to say a few words about Net for Society. Net for Society is the international network of national contact points for Societal Challenge 6. And Mikolaj, if you would be so kind, yes. And for those of you who may be not familiar with what a national contact point is, a so-called NCP. NCPs provide guidance, practical information, and assistance to all aspects of participation in Horizon 2020, and they are free of charge. So if you are writing a proposal, preparing a proposal, you are wanting to prepare a proposal, please don't forget to involve your national contact point. So, as I said, Net for Society is the international network of national contact points. The network was established in 2008. That means we have more than 10 years of experience by now. It involves over 60 countries at the moment, or almost 60 countries at the moment. And please be aware that you have NCP institutions also established in non-EU countries and non-associated countries. So even if you are from one of those countries, you will be able to find your national contact point to contact. By the way, today, all the NCPs who are in the room, we have a little red dot on our name tag. So in case you have questions already, please ask us. So back to the slides. Net for Society is also a EU-funded project under Horizon 2020, which means we are learning by doing. We are also proposal writing. We just successfully submitted our last proposal, and we will be funded in the 5th round until August 2020. The main objectives of the project are, of course, to improve the NCP services internationally and to support our research communities with events like today, and to support the integration of social science and humanities SSH in Horizon 2020, which means like in the other programs of Horizon 2020. And then another objective of Net for Society is to increase the visibility of Societal Challenge 6 and SSH research, and to raise the awareness of societal research. Maybe you can go to the next slide, Mikolaj. Thank you. So what do we do for you? We do organize international info days jointly with our colleagues from the Commission. The next one is already foreseen for autumn next year. We do have a partner search tool and a research directory. The research directory is a database where you can put your profile. The partner search tool is a tool where you can find partners on a specific call. You can find it on our website. We do highlight the SSH funding opportunities. We have an opportunities document where you can find possibilities of participating in research projects of other areas. And we do have fact sheets. You can find the fact sheets on the table outside. Next slide, please. In order to stay informed, of course, you can follow us on the social media, but also on our website, and we do have, of course, a newsletter. Now let's have a quick look on the agenda. You all should have an agenda in your folder. So to just, Mikolai, can you please change? Yeah. So we have now a first session